Imagine this. You just lost an important project. Maybe it's your thesis, client work, or priceless family photos. Gone. Deleted. Most people panic here. But today, I'm going to show you how to recover those files in just a few minutes using disk drill on Mac. No text, no filter, just straight recovery. Less than. So, disk drill is one of the most reliable data recovery tools for macOS. Whether you accidentally deleted files, formatted a drive, or lost partitions, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. So at first you'll have to download this software. Come to this website and simply click on the free download. It has a version for Mac and Windows also. After that, simply open the app and it will be showing you. So when you open it, you will see all connected drives list. So you'll have to choose the one where your files were lost. It could be your Mac's SSD, an external hard drive, or even a USB stick. Simply choose the driver, or simply click on this search for lost data and it will start scanning the whole driver, and within a few minutes it will give you everything it has found. As you can see right here, it has found some 1200 around pictures, 700 video. It has scanned a total of 137.59 GB gigabytes, which is actually a lot. And that's how you can find all of the lost file. And after the scan is completed, you will see this full list of recoverable parts, files. And the coolest part, you can preview the file before recovery to make sure it's the right one. Whether it's a photo, video, doc, just check the box and click on recover. It will be asking you for hard drive. Whatever hard drive you want to select, you can. But it suggests to not say this again on the same hard drive. It equals lost. Simply click on the recover and voila. And that's important. Never save it back to the same drive you're recovering from. And that's it. You have just learned how to recover deleted files on your Mac in minutes. Did this save your day? Hit like so more people can find it. For more no fluff guides on tools and techs, subscribe and turn on notification. I've got plenty more coming your way. And I'll catch you in the next one.